Yeah, Abir is coming. Abir is coming. He is joining. Hello, Abir. Welcome back. Abir. Now we are going with question number 11. What is the answer?
Sir, I'm a little bit confused.
You are a
Sir,
little bit confused with the answer,
Yes,
and
sir.
and Abir is saying confidently the answer is A, and he is correct. He is correct because the length
Sir,
is look, the length of the wire is 50 centimeter, right? And it is less than 1 meter. As it is less than 1 meter, we can use rule, right?
yes, sir.
Are you seeing the screen?
No,
You don't see the screen?
no, sir.
The worksheet you don't see?
স্যার আমি দেখি না এতক্ষণ আমি জাস্ট আমার কপি দেখছিলাম স্যার
Okay, now you can see the screen.
জি স্যার
Yeah, Abir, are you seeing the screen?
yes, sir.
Okay, because we are recording it. If the screen is not shown, then you will not understand it from the recording. That's why it's necessary to see the screen. Look, the length is less than 1 meter. That's why we should use meter rule, right? And
Yes,
for
sir.
the diameter, I said that we normally for the wire, thin wire, we are using micrometer. Okay, so the answer is coming A. Now it's clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we can go to question 12. Yeah, question 12. What's your answer?
The C.
B.
Dhaka. Abir.
No, sir. B. Bangladesh.
Okay.
Sir,
So
কুমিল্লা
you are saying Kumila. A and C we understand, but B and D sometimes it sounds like same, right? That's why I suggest you say Bangladesh, Dhaka, right? A and C fine, we understand it clearly. Now look how in my recording of previous class, if you check, you will get the explanation how to calculate it. Also, if you go through the notes, you can get it. Now we are explaining it, no problem. Look, here we have millimeter, right? The micrometer
yes sir
is used to measure the length in millimeter, and we have here main scale reading. Main scale reading has the upper lines and lower lines. Okay, Abir, you can remember that lower lines we are saying 0.5 and the upper lines we are saying 1 millimeter. So here we have 5, 6, 7, right? 7
Yes, sir.
millimeter. And the lower line we have just at the end we have another line. So here we have 0.5. So the MSR, main scale reading is, we are saying MSR, main scale reading. It is giving us how much? Can you tell me please? 7.5, right? 7.5
Yes,
millimeter. Do you understand how I write 7.5?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the upper line is giving you 7 and the lower line is giving you, after 7 there is one lower line, right? After 7 there is one lower line, that one line is giving you 0.5. So it's coming 7.5 millimeter. Sumaya, are you getting me?
yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then MSR is done, main scale reading. Then CSR, CSR, circular scale reading. This one is circular scale, right? Hello,
Yes, sir.
this one is circular scale. So circular scale, this line, the main scale reading, the middle line is matching with the circular scale reading 14. So we'll write here 14. Then we will multiply. Multiply 14 with the least count, that is the accuracy of micrometer. You already got. Even today I told that with micrometer we can measure 0.01 till 0.01 millimeter accurately, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So 0.01 millimeter, if you multiply it with 14, how much it comes?
0.14.
Write it in your copy. You should write it 0.14, and the millimeter also should write. So our circular scale reading and main scale reading came both. Now we will add them up. MSR plus CSR, total reading. Total reading is how much? 7.64, right? Millimeter.
Yes, sir.
So the answer is coming. Which one?
Yes, sir.
Bangladesh or Kumilla? Which one?
Sir,
B.
Dhaka.
Dhaka. So it's coming Dhaka. Abir, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to the next question. We are done with this. We are going to next questions. 13. Already we
Sir,
did
B, 5.
similar questions. We did a similar question before. Now we will try to do it. So here we got some information which will help us to get the diameter of the beaker. What's your answer, Abir?
B.
Dhaka,
No, Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, 5 centimeter. How you got 5 centimeter? Can you explain it? What is the reading here? Can you tell me what is the reading here? Look, here we got 1, right?
Sir, it's a 3.
Uh, look, this one is 1, right?
Yes, sir. It's a
This one
2.
is
It's a
0.
3.
So in between 0 and 1, there is one line. So this one should be 0.5, right?
Yes, sir.
And this one, 2.
2. Yes, sir.
This one is 3.
3.
Then the reading here, it is 3.5, right? So you
Yes, sir.
record it in your copy that this reading is 3.5. Please write it. 3.5. 3.5. And the other one after this one is 3.5. We have here 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, right? Here it is 8.
Yes, sir.
So 8, you write here 8. Okay, my handwriting is very poor, right? Poor handwriting. I'm writing again. Okay, now it's fine. 8 centimeters. So 8 minus 3.5, how much?
4.5.
4.5. 8 minus 3.5 is 4.5. So it is A, right? The answer is A. Sumaya,
Sir, America.
your answer you got, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Is
Yes,
this
sir.
clear? Is
A.
this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then we'll go to next question. We have here more questions. Let's go. 14. What is the answer?
Sir, C.
C. Yeah.
C.
C. Both are C, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. After 30, we have 35, then 36. That's very easy, right? Then
Yes, sir.
15. This one most probably last one, right? Last MCQ. So what should be the answer for this?
B.
Bangladesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are right. Sumaya, you understood how it is B.
No, sir.
Can you remember parallelogram rule?
Yes, sir.
You complete the parallelogram here this way, the way we did before. Then we'll get the diagonal through these two vectors here, right? Now you understand.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Got it. Clear now, right? So 15, the answer should be Bangladesh. B.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, we have more, mashallah. I thought it was the last one, but we have more. So 16. What is the answer? I think you can answer now. Sumaya.
Sir, D.
Sir,
The answer should be D. Dhaka.
D. Dhaka.
Yes. Abir told the correctness. Again, we are doing the parallelogram rule. You see, this line and this line, we should add them up, right? Here, join it here. We'll take this line here. Sumaya.
জি স্যার
So
এবার
we are
বুঝছি
getting two sides of a parallelogram. Then we complete the parallelogram. This way we will complete the parallelogram and get the diagonal. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
this is giving us the resultant. Now you are clear, Dhaka?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then now tell me this, 17. Already we did some similar questions.
স্যার এটা এ
Yeah, your answer is correct. A.
কি হবে স্যার?
Abir, what's your answer?
সি।
Dhaka.
No sir, C.
Okay, C. You said C, but triangle rule. Can you remember the triangle rule? Can you remember the triangle rule? Look, 4 and 3. Here they are working in opposite direction, right?
Yes sir.
So we should get the parallelogram rule is fitting here better, right? because they are working opposite. If they are in the same direction going, then we are using the triangle rule. Okay, clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Abir, when you get these two vectors, you check the direction, right? If they are working in the opposite direction, you should go with parallelogram rule. You should do this way. Complete the parallelogram, and this diagonal will give you the resultant. Okay, but if they are working in the same direction, then we can fit it here in triangle rule. What was the triangle rule? Can you tell me? In my notes, I gave you the triangle rule.
One side is A, another side is B. In addition, A plus B.
Okay, the rule I am saying you again. If two vectors are represented by two sides of a triangle in the same direction, you see, these two vectors are in the same direction, then the third side in opposite direction gives the resultant of those two vectors. Should I repeat?
No, sir.
Abir, should I repeat or you got it?
Sir, B হতো না?
B, look, the rule is the resultant should be in opposite direction.
Oh,
But here, you see, they are all working in the same direction, right? Look,
yes,
this
sir.
way it's going, this way it's going, and this way it's coming. So they all are in the same direction. But the rule is saying the resultant should be in opposite direction for triangle rule. Now it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. This way you should tell me if you have anything in your mind. Don't preserve it in your mind. You disclose it. Then your friends also will understand. They will also get some ideas. Now 18. I think this one is very easy for you, right? Which one should be answered? Sumaya?
Sir, A হবে।
স্যার এটা আমি বলবো
Tell me. What is your answer?
স্যার দেখে নিন
Hmm.
স্যার এ
A. Both are A, so we can go to next. 19. Yeah, 19 also now it's easier for you, right? What should be the
Yes,
answer?
sir. C.
Yeah, already Abid told C. Sumaya, should I make it bigger?
সি
Yeah, we are using here parallelogram rule. So which one is matching?
স্যার সি
C, both are C. So the MCQ part over, right? MCQ part is over. Now structured questions. Question 1. Abir, could you please read louder? You read the question and tell me the answer.
State the difference between a scalar quantity and a vector quantity. Scalar quantity is a quantity which only has magnitude, no direction, Vector quantity is a quantity which has both magnitude and direction.
So it's clear to you, Sumaya?
Yes, sir.
B. You did it,
Sir,
both of you?
sir.
Yes. Tell me.
আমি কি ওয়ান নাম্বারটা বলতে পারি একটু?
Which one?
স্যার ওই যে আগেরটা, প্রিভিয়াস।
1A you want to say?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Okay, tell me.
তো যদি রং হয় অথবা রাইট হয়।
Yes, tell me.
The difference between a scalar quantity and a vector quantity is actually scalar quantity has no specific direction, but vector quantities have a particular direction.
Yeah, your answer is fine. No problem. So what Abir said, that is correct.
ডেফিনিশন দিয়ে কি স্যার ডেফিনিশন দিয়ে কি দিতে হবে? এভাবে কি লেখা যাবে না স্যার?
Of course you can write, no problem. Whatever you said, it is correct. Whatever Abir said, both are correct. That's the beauty of knowledge, right? You will represent one way, he will represent another way, but both are correct. Now B, part B, both of you did, right? This one we are doing a scale diagram, right? Abir,
Yes.
Abir, in your answer I saw you got 14, right?
Yes, sir, 14.
But the answer is not appropriate. I am opening your one. Just give me 1 minute. I'm opening your answer, then we will discuss this one from there. Okay, it's your solution I got, right? Yeah, what I was saying, Sumaya,
Yes, sir.
when you will get the worksheet from me, then you have to do this the way Abid did. We are using camera scanner from mobile, the app camera scanner. That one will help you to scan it and make PDF format of your worksheet. You have the printer access, so you can print it and write your answers over there in the worksheet. Then you send me the PDF file, okay, like this. As Abir couldn't print it, he wrote the answer in physics copy. Then he sent me this in my email. Got it, Sumaya? What
Yes,
to
sir.
do?
Yes, sir.
So that I can check your working. I can check your worksheet. Now, look, B, we are talking about B, right? This one. Abir, I don't know that when you, one thing you have to do, that is, you wrote here 8 Newton, 6 Newton, but the length are quite similar, right? I am making it bigger, then you'll understand it. Abir, hello Abir.
Yes, sir.
We should maintain it that 8 Newton should be 8 centimeter. and 6 Newton should be 6 centimeter, and the angle given in your question is 40 degree in protector. I think your angle uh, angle is if it is 90 degree, then 40 degree is I think is fine. uh, or you can check with the protector, is it really 40 degree or not. You should maintain it that in between these two vectors that the angle should be 40 degree, and the length of this side should be how much, Abir, how much it should be? 8
40
centimeter.
degree.
8 centimeter. The angle will be 40 degree, but the length of the side will be 8 centimeter here. Make it 8 centimeter with your ruler. You check it, it is 8 centimeter or not. 1 centimeter is 1 Newton. Okay. The scale is 1 centimeter equals 1 Newton. So 8 Newton should be 8 centimeter, and 6 Newton should be 6 centimeter.
6
Then you
centimeter.
complete the parallelogram and get the length of the diagonal. Then the answer will be 13.1 like that, 13.1 to something like that. Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Abir, please redraw it today, tonight, and send me the answer again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we are going to other questions. Okay. Other questions of the your worksheet. The worksheet we got there. Mm, we are now going to the worksheet. Huh? Yes. Here is the worksheet. Can you see the screen? The worksheet came or not? What came?
Sir,
Still
it's
that
very
one. Okay, now you got it, the worksheet.
yes, sir.
Okay, check. We are going to the other questions. Though the other questions are easy, only this question is the drawing one was difficult for you. Okay, 2. Can you read it? 2. Sumaya,
Yes, sir.
continue.
স্যার এটা খুবই ছোট দেখা যাচ্ছে না
Okay, I am making it bigger. No problem. Now you can see, right?
yes sir
Okay,
two
continue.
of the SI base quantities and their units are mass kg and length meter. Name 3 other SI base quantities and their units. 1 quantity unit, 2 quantity unit, 3 quantity unit.
Yeah, do you have any idea about base quantities?
Yes sir.
You went through the notes. In notes, we discussed about base quantity and derived
Derived
quantity.
quantity.
Yeah, base quantities are those quantities which we cannot break down. Those are the
So
basic.
fundamental quantities.
Yeah, fundamental quantities like length.
Yes
They
sir.
gave the example of length and mass. Okay.
Yes sir.
And the derived quantities like speed. Okay, speed we are getting distance over time. So speed is coming from two basic quantities. One is length,
Sir,
another one is
volume.
time. Right? So other than mass and length, we got another quantity that is time. We can write here time. Right?
Yes sir. Time.
Time, the
Yes sir.
unit is
Time.
second.
Second.
Yeah, quantity 2, we can say current. Current.
Electric current.
Yeah.
Unit হচ্ছে ampere.
Amperes. Then the other one is temperature.
Thermodynamic temperature. Unit হচ্ছে
Uh,
Kelvin.
Kelvin. The SI unit.
Yes
They are
sir.
asking us SI unit. So SI unit of temperature is Kelvin.
Yes, sir.
Clear? We have other units like degree Celsius or Fahrenheit, but they are asking us SI based quantities. That means International System of Units,
Yeah,
that
system.
unit. That's why we should use here that unit. So the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin,
Yes, sir.
right? Now next 2B. Yeah, we will read. Abir, you read. Abir,
A unit is of a unit is often expressed with a prefix. For example, the gram may be written with the prefix kilo as the kilogram. The prefix represents a power of 10. In this case, the power of 10 is 10 to the power 3.
okay, continue.
Complete figure 2.1 to show each prefix with its symbol and power of 10.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, continue. Kilo is given. What
Kilo,
about nano?
10 to the power minus 9.
10 to the power minus 9. In my notes, I gave you this, right? All this. Then centi,
Yes, sir. Centi C, 10 to the power minus 2.
yeah, C, right? We write here C.
Yes, sir.
Then here,
Mega,
Mega.
mega, excellent. Then
Tera.
tera. So that's all, right?
Yes, sir.
The worksheet is over. Wow, we are done. Great. With your help, I'm done with the worksheet. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So you can take a test on this topic, right? Sumaya, what you have to
Yes, sir.
do, you should send me the solved worksheet the way I told you, the way Abir send me in my email. In my email means the email address, the official email address, physicsmania.bd, right?
Okay, sir.
physicsmania.bd@gmail.com, from where you got all the emails, right?
Yes, sir.
So there you will send the worksheet after making it PDF format. Thank you so much. And now we have a few minutes more, around 7 minutes. We will discuss our next plan, what we are going to do. As we are done with this notes and worksheet, we will have a test on on
Chapter
when
1.
on chapter 1, topic 1. Which day? On Monday we will take the test. Okay,
Okay, sir.
clear, Abir?
Yes, sir.
So you get
Yes, sir.
prepared for the test, and we will also, after the test, we will also continue the second topic on that day, Monday, right? Today we
Yes, sir.
will start topic 2 little bit, and afterwards we will continue in next class. So we are going to now topic 2. Let's go to the topic 2 notes. Give me 1 minute. So you can see the screen, right? Topic 2 notes came. Are you seeing the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here we have the second topic. It is called kinematics. Can you read the content? Can you please read the content, Sumaya?
Yes, sir. Content.
Yeah, content.
2.1 Speed, velocity, and acceleration. 2.2 Graphical analysis of motion. 2.3 Free fall.
Okay, you are talking about different
The
books.
learning outcomes speed.
Wait. You are talking about different books. Different books, they have different, style of representation, and some of the books they have, some contents not covering, or some learning outcomes not covering according to CI syllabus, and some of the books they have some extra things which you actually don't require for your O-level syllabus, and we can skip
Okay,
them.
sir.
So it's better for us. This is our standard, right? That we are following the syllabus so that we can cover all the ideas Cambridge is expecting from us. Clear to you? That's why we are following this syllabus. Now, Abir, you continue the learning outcomes.
Learning outcomes, candidates should be able to A, state what is meant by speed and velocity. B, recall and use average speed equals to distance traveled by time taken. C, state what is meant by uniform acceleration and recall and use acceleration equals to change in velocity by time taken. D, discuss non-uniform acceleration. E, recall that this deceleration is a negative acceleration. F, plot and interpret speed time and distance time graphs. G, recognize from the shape of a speed time graph when a body is at rest, moving with uniform speed, moving with uniform acceleration, moving with non-uniform acceleration. Calculate the area under a speed time graph to determine the distance traveled for motion with uniform speed or uniform acceleration. State what the acceleration of free fall for a body near to the earth is constant and is approximately 10 meter per second square. Describe qualitatively the motion of bodies with constant weight falling with and without air resistance, including reference to terminal velocity.
Okay, today I will upload these notes, okay, in the website, uh, and also today's recording will be available there. Clear to you, students?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So
Yes, sir.
please, if you get time, then you go through the notes. If you don't get time, don't go through, no problem. But at least you got the idea that speed. In this topic we are going to discuss speed, velocity, acceleration, speed formula, acceleration formula, then distance time graph, speed time graph, then how to get distance from speed time graph. Okay, and finally we are going to discuss acceleration of free fall, that is G. You know that this is constant for Earth. It
Gravity.
is 10 meter per second square. That is called acceleration due to gravity, acceleration of free fall, or it is also known as gravitational field strength. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and how it is working when the object is falling with air resistance, without air resistance, we will discuss all, right? So, do you have anything to say for today's class, on today's class? You have any queries? You have any doubts? You have any questions to me?
স্যার আমি
What?
এমসিকিউতে আমার কোশ্চেন আছে
Sorry?
এমসিকিউ
Yeah,
এমসিকিউ ওই 10 নাম্বারটা একটু আবার বুঝাবেন
10, MCQ 10.
ইয়েস স্যার
Okay, 10, question number 10. We have actually less time. We have only 1 minute left. Next class we will discuss before the test, okay?
ওকে স্যার
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Allah Hafiz everyone.
Assalamu
Thank
alaikum.
you.
Yes, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.